We are pleased to show you the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.